Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, Presidency Foundation has gotten the opportunity to organize this mega health camp where we provide free BP sugar checkup. We have a general physician. We do have ECG and heart related checkups. Then we have orthopedic and we have oncology for cancer and Ayurvedic and many more. And we also provide free spectacles, free hearing aids. There are free surgeries also for those who are really deserving candidates who really need the help. And all of this with partners like Ramaya, Saptagiri Medical College, Bangalore Netralaya, and Rotary, and Sparsh Hospital, and many more. So the whole purpose of this is, as you know, Presidency Foundation. The major first is education, employability, livelihood, and then healthcare. So we are end of the day facilitators. We bring those who are able to provide this service at a free of cost, and we address it to those who are really in need, who are really desperate for a good quality healthcare, and we ensure that not only their consultation and diagnosis is done, we follow till the surgery is also completed if it is required. So, and we are thankful to all our volunteers, student volunteers, and especially Kausar Nisar ma'am, chairperson of Presidency Foundation, Dr. Nisar Ahmed sir, chancellor of Presidency University, and the entire management, and Suhail Ahmed Saab, vice chairman, Presidency College. We thank each and every one of them for their mentorship and support for whatever they have given us. In the current times, the most important thing is that people are not even aware or educated, that so many people have even diabetes, they will not even know, and they don't find the need to know. But nowadays, diabetes is a slow killer, and they start attacking each and every organ one by one, and people won't even know about it. There are so many people who will have a heart attack and they will not know about it, a minor heart attack. So there are so many cases like this. So we want to educate people that whatever it is, yearly once, it's better to do a master health checkup, whatever the situation might be, whatever it is. And there are so many people who are able to do it for free. Like you can contact us also if it is really required. So we will ensure that your master health checkup is done in various hospitals that we are authorized partners to. So that is something that we want to ensure, that all public at large, health is wealth and the most important and basic necessity for mankind.
बहुत अच्छा चेकअप कर रहे हैं हर जगह पूरा, क्या भी जगह पूरा अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स कर रहा है, क्या भी डिफरेंट नहीं है, क्या भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, डॉक्टर भी बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स कर रहा है।
अच्छा था, अच्छा केयर करे, अच्छा देखे, टेस्ट करे, आई टेस्ट करे, पूरा देखे। तो फोर्थ को आओ तुम ना ग्लास मिलता है को बोली, इंशाल्लाह देंगे। फोर्थ को ह्यान चाना करता खादरिया में चाको ले लो को बोली, अब अवेलेबल नहीं है
जगह आओ को बोले लो लिंगलाजपुरम को आओ मिशना देती कहे हम ना परवानी सहूलत अच्छी थी।
जब चेक किया अच्छा लगा, सुकून रहा। अब इसका चक्कर में है क्या मशीन लेने के लिए स्टेट के यहाँ पे आओ वाला बस अच्छा है, नेक्स्ट है।
So, since our college has organized this event, and mostly people below the BPL line, most of them are coming here. It's actually nice to do something nice for them, and which is at least helping them, and it's nice to be a part of it. This is not my first time volunteering, but it's a nice experience. I personally have gone around like 1,000+ houses to tell that we have this camp. It's nice seeing everyone come around.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am dietitian Hajira Zamir. I have done my graduation and post-graduation in nutrition dietetics. Now that I'm here in this free health checkup camp, because many people rush here to know what their results are and how their health is. But I basically want to, just tell them, see, if you take the right food in the right way, that should be guided by a dietitian, so then that becomes a powerful medicine for you rather than taking medicine. Otherwise, it's going to be a slow poison again. So, point number 2 is बहुत सारे औरतें हैं जो घर पे हैं and they cannot do gym, they cannot work out, they cannot go outside for aerobics and whatever. So I want to basically serve my home, like I take personal classes for them at home. So I'm basically a coach and a nutritionist to serve this. So Jazakallahu khair, and trying my best to serve my home. Thank you so much.
So it's been a wonderful experience because there are a lot of patients with speech and hearing difficulties, which we feel like they are not very aware of it. So they definitely go to the ENT doctors, and that's where they do say that to get a hearing test done. So we get a chance to spread awareness, at the same time test them, treat them, and give them the right direction as to what has to be done ahead. So it's a wonderful experience.
A good experience. We got to see a lot of patients, and we also referred a lot of them to the hospital for the care. It's been good. We also had to dispense medicines and stuff. So
प्रेसिडेंसी फाउंडेशन ने ये मेगा हेल्थ कैंप लगाया है, कौसर निसार मेगा हेल्थ कैंप, जिसको ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है प्रेसिडेंसी फाउंडेशन की तरफ से। ये कोशिश है जो गरीब तबका है, जो ऐसा तबका है जिसको शायद कि जो मेडिकल सुविधाएं हैं वो आसानी से नहीं मिल पाती हैं, उनके लिए ये एक ज़रिया है कि वो अपने टेस्ट करवाएं। अब उनको किसी भी तरीके की कोई दिक्कत हो तो वो यहाँ पर आएँ, टेस्ट करवाएं, और टेस्ट करवाने के बाद जो भी उनकी रिपोर्ट्स में आता है उनका आगे का ट्रीटमेंट करवाने का ज़िम्मा भी प्रेसिडेंसी फाउंडेशन ने यहाँ पर उठाया है। कई बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स के साथ यहाँ पर टाई अप किया गया है ताकि उन हॉस्पिटल्स के डॉक्टर्स यहाँ आएँ और आकर यहाँ पर जो लोग हैं, जो आए हैं, जो मरीज़ हैं, उनके टेस्ट करें और उनको आगे का क्या इलाज होना चाहिए ये बताएं, उनको सही दिशा निर्देश दें। प्रेसिडेंसी फाउंडेशन का ये मानना है कि आप अगर प्रेसिडेंसी ग्रुप के बारे में अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो प्रेसिडेंसी ग्रुप एक बहुत बड़ा एजुकेशनल ग्रुप है, और एजुकेशन के साथ साथ हेल्थ एक ऐसा इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है जो किसी भी सोसाइटी को बनाता या बिगाड़ सकता है। जिस तरीके से शिक्षा बनाती या बिगाड़ती है, हेल्थ भी किसी भी सोसाइटी को बनाती या बिगाड़ती है। अगर आपके लोग स्वस्थ होंगे तभी वो अपने जीवन में अच्छा कर पाएंगे और आप एक अच्छी सोसाइटी का निर्माण कर पाएंगे। और इसी सोच के साथ प्रेसिडेंसी फाउंडेशन हर साल ये अब मेगा हेल्थ कैंप करता है। इसका बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस हमें इस लिहाज से मिला है कि बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं जो अपने टेस्ट करवाते हैं और उसके बाद आगे की उनको यहाँ पर सुविधाएं मुहैया कराई जाती हैं इलाज के लिए। और यही वजह है कि हम लोग इस हेल्थ कैंप को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा संजीदा हैं। हम इसको बहुत मन से इसको ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं और प्रयास यही करते हैं कि हमारी तरफ से जितने लोगों की मदद हो सके वो मदद